Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back with another video from my addicted blogging channel. So in this video I will be connecting the Relive app which is there in the add account section of the Zap app and see whether it can be a replacement of the Zap app or it is just another app which lacks a lot of features of the Zap app. So this will be a sick video guys as always, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. First install the Relive app which is there in the Play Store. I have already installed the app. The app will be looking like this. You can see in the Play Store you will search with Relive and get this app. So it will be written on the app like Relive Run, Ride, Hike and more. You have to install this app on your phone. Once installed, you need to open the Relive app from the app place. So open it, you will see a screen like this. You can see that you can either create a new account or login. I will recommend you to create a new account in here with clicking the get started button. Once you click on get started, you will see that you need to create an account in the Relive app. So I will be creating an account in the Relive app and coming back in here after some time. So I have already created the account and it is showing me that there is a plus version of the app which you can get, or you can use the free version of the app which is the normal app. So I will be using the free version of the app, so I just click on back button and you can see that I have logged in with my Google account in here, and it is showing me to connect a tracker or record activity in here. So if you click on connect tracker, you can see I have already connected my Zap app. So if you are using it first time, you need to click on this Zap option and you will be getting the sign in options in here. You need to click on sign in and you have to put the same credential of the Zap app to get into this app with the Zap account signed in. And once you have done that, you are ready to use this app. So app is a really great app because it is a bit of a social app also. You can follow other people in here who are doing cycling and doing a lot of adventure stuff in here. You can also follow big personalities. So basically what I find out, this app is all about cycling and adventures, and people will be doing all the adventurous stuff in here and they will be recording the videos and everything, and you can see them by following those people in here. So as you can see, if you click on someone's profile, you can see what they have done and their activities in here, and also they share the videos, which is really great. So this is not only a fitness tracking app, but you can also post videos, photos of the adventure and the cycling or any activity you are doing, which is really great. And it will show you the distance and the elevation and the duration of each and every activity with a map of the place you have visited. So that is really great. The bad thing about this app is I connected my Amazfit watch with this app and this Zap account, but I am not able to sync the activities with this app. So whenever I have done some activity by clicking on the workout mode here, on the other apps like Strava or any activity related apps, those activities will be popping up in the notification of the apps, but in here you will not get any notification and those workouts will not be synced with this app. The thing which you need to do to sync the workout is you need to click on this connect tracker and click on this Zap, and you need to go to this Zap account and activity in your computer or desktop and download the GPX file or the file related to your activity, which is available in the website of your tracker app, and you need to import that file from here. So after you import this file, it will be synced with this app and it will display the activity in this Relive app. So the activity is not getting synced automatically in this app. You need to manually import them in here. But on the flip side, you can record any activity on your phone and it will just calculate the activity as a standalone activity because it will use your phone's GPS and also it will use your phone's activity sensors to track the activity. You can also click on the pictures which you will be clicking while doing the activity and post it here as a social media app, which is really great. So you can create your profile, you will see some followers in here, you can see whatever activities you have done and also it will show you other people how many kilometers you have traveled and all the elevation you have done or all the activities you have done in this app, which is really great. So if you want an app which is a social app, you do a lot of adventurous stuff, you do a lot of cycling, you do a lot of things which you like regarding the adventure, then this app will be perfect for you. And if you want to also record the activities which you have done with your Amazfit watch, then you need to import the file in this app, which will show the file in the activities, and then sync the file with this app and show the activities in here. This is really great. So this app is all about adventure and cycling and all other stuff, not for small activity that we do in our home or in our gym. It's all about the adventurous stuff. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be bringing more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.